What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be replacing the Rm85 Stator. Got the new one in the box, brand new. About to take the old one out. Oh, and we got a new side cover with a new gasket. Look at that thing. Well, guys, she needs some rings. The Stator worked out, made it run better, but once she got heated up, everything expanded, compression dropped down. It's no good. So, you gotta take the cylinder off, I guess. This is bull crap, but this is two-stroke for you. I didn't record the riding footage. I did ride it a little bit, but now gotta order a piston. What the heck? I'm back again. Jit for Temple Boys Customs. We done tore the Rm85 into pieces. Cylinder looks good. It does truly got a Y-scope piston in it. See? It truly got one. It truly got one. Bottom end feels real nice. It's got a little side to side deflate like normal. So everything should be good. I ordered some new rings, probably a new piston and bearing, and a new gasket kit. Be all good. That'll be fine. It should. That should be fine. There is a lot of indentions there, but it should be fine. So, yeah, guys, this thing will be back ripping probably about another week again. This is bull crap with these two strokes, but what can you do? What can you do? I got to ride a little bit, that's all that matters. So, I'll let y'all know what happens whenever I get it fixed and put all back together. I'll let you know.